Hello everybody, my name is Dmitry, I'm from Smiloda, and right now let's talk about the component like form. We have two types of form and each of them has own set of property. More detail later in the video. Let's add the form to the page and I show you different. First is submit form. Submit form when people filled and sent this form, they comes to list of your subscriber. And in the future, you can separate subscribers from users. And second, it's a form. It's contact form. And this contact form you can set like you wish, because you can add more fields. You can hide, show fields by default, rename, set required of them, and this means about a form, and you can change space, color, and another. Okay, let's go to the settings. And first, what need to understand, form without button, it's nothing. We need to have a button, and this button will send this form. How we can connect button and form? We can do by name. We just remember this name of the needed form, and when we add button, you just select from list of form and connect with these forms. In website, this button will be sent this form. Next, we have 5 default fields, and these fields you cannot delete, but you can possibility hide or show them. Next, what you can do with this field, you can sort like you want and set required to this field. And next, what you can do, it's change some. For example, now you can have possibility to change each of your language store name of this field. For example, for English and for Ukraine. And you can use like mask. By default, it's for phone, and you can choose use these rules. Okay, return. And for example, we can possibility to add new field. If you press this button, you add custom fields, and you can create how much you want. And this property you can do like we have default, but you can delete this field in the future if not needed anymore. And if you change this, you go to edit box, and this you can set type of field. For example, it's input, it's like we had for standard, and text area if needed. Without some settings, you just field, and select box. As for select box, you can add many options. Just need set value and name, add to list. For example, we can add more, and we have, for example, 3 options in one select. In the future, just select this, and this field you can have options on the select box, but all this option you just need test it on web page. We just reload and can see this field with these options. Next property, what we can use, it's a background group. You can set background image or background color. For example, you can change like you need it, and to set some image, use these properties. And last, we can add space like to component. For example, around this component we can add maybe like this, you see return, and we can add more here. For example, or like this. It means we have space inside this component. These fields we add just around this component some space. And last, what I want to show you, it's connecting button and form. For example, we add button, go to its settings and go to submit button. Select this action, and we have list of our forms. It's submit form, add form, and we choose this contact form. It means this button will send this form. That's all. We will see in the next videos.